Today, we will talk about impeachment, meaning, overview, examples. Impeachment, as authorized by Article 2, Section 4 of the U.S. Constitution, is the formal process that allows Congress to bring charges of treason, bribery, or other high crimes and misdemeanors against high-ranking civil officers, such as the President. Article 2, Section 4 distinguishes impeachment as a charging process, rather than the same as removal or conviction. It's important to note that impeachment at the federal level is rare. Impeachment proceedings have been initiated by the House of Representatives more than 60 times since the adoption of the U.S. Constitution, with just 20 of those proceedings resulting in impeachment. Only 3 U.S. presidents, Andrew Johnson, Bill Clinton, and Donald Trump, have been impeached by the U.S. House of Representatives. All 3 were acquitted by the Senate. The Constitution names the President and Vice President as subject to impeachment. Additionally, federal judges including Supreme Court justices and members of the President's cabinet are subject to impeachment. The definition of impeachable crimes has evolved over time, with high crimes and misdemeanors left open to interpretation. The phrase originates from British law and historically refers to crimes by public officials against the government. The House of Representatives has the sole power to impeach, while the Senate holds the power to convict and remove an impeached individual. Impeachment begins when the House adopts a resolution calling for an investigation by a House committee into charges against the official in question. When the Senate receives the resolution, that body advises the House when it will receive the managers and begin the impeachment trial. To convict and remove an impeached individual from office requires a 2/3 majority in the Senate. The penalty for impeachment is a trial in the Senate, and if convicted, the penalty is removal from office. The Senate also has the option to disqualify the official from holding public office in the future by simple majority vote. Impeachment proceedings have been initiated multiple times in the past 100 years, resulting in acquittals, convictions, dismissals, and resignations. President Richard Nixon was never impeached, although he was threatened with impeachment over the Watergate scandal of 1974. Nixon resigned from office before Congress could vote on whether to proceed with impeachment. A recent impeachment and Senate trial took place when former President Trump was impeached by the House of Representatives. The articles of impeachment were submitted to the Senate and the trial began, leading to the president being acquitted on both counts. The entire impeachment proceedings took a little less than 2 months. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Impeachment, as defined in Article 2, Section 4 of the U.S. Constitution, is the formal process by which Congress brings charges against high-ranking civil officers, such as the President, in a bid to remove them from office. 2. Only the U.S. House of Representatives has the power to impeach a federal official, and only the Senate can convict and remove the impeached official. 3. Only 3 U.S. presidents have been impeached by the House, Andrew Johnson, Bill Clinton, and Donald Trump, and all were acquitted by the Senate. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.